has their heart. We're gonna take it and rub it in our hands like this so we can get our hearts nice and warm so they have warm hearts. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna clap on it like this so we can get it beating and make sure they're nice and strong. And then we're gonna shake it up like this so they have lots of energy. And we're gonna rub it on our back so our new friends always have our backs. And on our side so they never leave our side. And on our heart so it's full of our love. And we're gonna close our eyes and make a big wish. And once we have our wish, we're gonna give those hearts a kiss. And then we can pick a bear and put it inside.
So our furry friends, they're done. They're ready to be shipped. We've stuffed them, we've clothed them, we've placed well wishes within them for joy, peace, love, and wellness. And now they're ready to meet their new friends. We're so thankful for all the support that we've received for HUPTI Smiles over this last year. I specifically want to call out Chartway and Miss Norma Harvey for their continued support and resources to allow us to do things like this. Thank you so much and Happy New Year.